Hello all of you, how are you all? I hope you all are making a profit with the help of our VIP signals. So in this video, I will explain to you how you can take trades, how you can pick our VIP group signals, and how you can pick our free group signals. Also, I will explain to you how you can take our ultimate or premium group signals. Okay, so let's start our video. First, we will set a time setting. As you guys know, I use a 5-minute time frame. So if your candle timing is 1 minute or something else, you can set it to a 5-minute M5. Okay, then you will see that here is a +4, so you can also change your UTC time zone to +4. Okay, so after that, go to this time setting. Okay, select M5 auto offset on, and make sure your seconds should be 0 and the minutes should have a 5-minute difference. Like here you can see 12:43. Okay, now 12:44, and you will see 1 minute left for the 5-minute candle to close. And here you will see 12:45 dot. If it is 12:45 and a 5-minute candle starts, then your time is automatically set to 12:50. Okay, so there is a 5-minute difference and the seconds should always be 0 with auto offset on and set to M5. Okay, so let's move on to the next step, how you can take our VIP or free group signals. Okay, how you can take our free group signals. Okay, here was my signal from yesterday, which I gave in the free group. Euro, GBP, M5 down. Entry on the current candle, 5-minute candle, and the entry level was at open price. Use the moving average also for extra entries. So how can you take the trade? You will see that the signal was given at 1540. This was for the current candle, as I mentioned. So suppose this was Euro, GBP, okay? And I gave a signal that you can take the trade for the downside, or I gave a trade for the upside. Suppose I gave a trade for the upside. Okay, take the open price or use the moving average. So what will you do? If the candle is already up, then you have to wait. If the candle is showing as a red candle, then you can proceed for the upside move. Okay, then you can take a buy signal. And what if I said that you can use the moving average also for extra entry? Suppose that the candle is coming down. Okay, after taking an open price entry, the candle comes down, and after that, the candle gives an entry at the moving average. Then you can take extra entries according to your money management in the same direction for the upside. This is how you can take a trade using a free group signal. Suppose here is a trade. Okay, I gave a trade on Facebook OTC that you can go for an upside move on Facebook OTC. Take the open price. Suppose I gave a trade to take entry at open price and the candle is already down. So you can take the entry. Okay, just take the entry. Okay, it means you got a good entry, and I said that for extra entries, you can take entry at the moving average. Okay, there are 2 moving averages. The setting, I've already made a video, lots of videos, so you can watch. The setting was 25 EMA green one, and the 50 EMA was red one. Okay, so for extra entries, you can take entries at the moving average if the candle gives 1. Okay, your trade should end when the 5-minute candle ends. Okay, you will see 2 minutes 33 seconds left, and also here you can see 2:30. This is how you can take our free group signals. See, the candle gave an entry, so I placed 2 trades because the candle gave an entry below the moving average. So I placed the trade for the upside move again, okay, from the moving average. If it breaks it and closes here, then we will consider it as a loss. If this candle closes above the moving average, then we will consider it a win. Okay, this is how you can take our free group signal. So let's move on to the next step, how you can take our VIP group signals. Okay, in the VIP group signal, I will provide a signal like, here is an odd CAD put, take entry now. So what does that mean? Suppose I give a trade. Okay, I give a trade on Intel OTC. Suppose the candle has just started and I give a trade saying you can go down, take an entry now. So it means whenever the candle is there, either it is already going down or it's going up, you can take the entry immediately. Take the entry instantly. If I give a trade for a downside and the candle is already up, then you can take the entry now when you open the chart. If the candle is already down, then also you can take the entry. And if I say take an open price entry, use the moving average, it is the same as I explained in the free group signal. You can take entry at the open price when the candle starts. Also, if the candle gives an entry below the moving average or at the moving average, then you can place extra entries in the same direction. So this is how you can take a VIP group signal. Also, our VIP group signals are given on the current candle, and the free group signals are also for the current candle. So let's move on to the next step, how you can take our ultimate group signal. Those who are VIP members already know that we have 2 premium groups that run 24 hours a day, where we provide very good signals and they run 24 hours. So how can you take our ultimate group signals? As you guys know, in the ultimate group signals, we provide a trade 20 to 30 seconds before the candle starts. Suppose the candle is running and the ultimate group gives a signal that you can go down on AUD CAD or Intel OTC. You can go down. Just for the example, I'm saying I give a trade on Intel OTC. Suppose the candle is already running and when you open the chart, only 10 seconds or 5 seconds are left. That means you have to take the trade on the next candle. On the next candle, you can take a trade at the open price. The timing is the same for all signals. Whether it's VIP, free group, ultimate or premium group, the timing is the same for all. If you open the chart and the next candle has already opened and there are 3 or 4 minutes left, that means you have to take the trade on the current candle. But we provide signals 20 seconds before the candle starts. So you have to take the trade after those 20 seconds when the new candle opens. This is how you can take an ultimate group signal. On the ultimate or premium group signals, you can use MTG1, Martingale 1. We do not recommend MTG2, Martingale 2, but if your money management is good, then you can use it. Otherwise, you can avoid Martingale 2. Both the ultimate and premium groups run the same way. In both, we provide signals 20 to 30 seconds before the candle opens. You will also see a clock time on the ultimate and premium groups. Basically, you should ignore the clock time. Whenever I give a signal or you receive a signal in either group, ultimate or premium, you should take entry on the next 5-minute candle. So ignore the clock time. This is how you can take our ultimate or premium group signals. So now I hope you understand how you can take our VIP group signals, how you can take our free group signals, and also how you can take our premium group signals, which run 24 hours. Okay, so this is how you can take trades. And also, if you are new here and you want to participate on our channel, if you also want to make money, you can text me on Telegram at bbinarysupport. The link is in the description. And one more important thing, our free group and our VIP group are where we provide signals that are non-martingale. If you lose the first trade, then you have to wait for the second signal. Okay? Don't use Martingale. We do not recommend Martingale in the free group or the VIP group. On ultimate or premium, you can use Martingale, but for the free group or VIP group, I do not recommend Martingale. And I also do not consider Martingale. One more thing. Suppose I provide a level in the free group or in the VIP group. If I say that you can take a trade at the level, then wait for the candle to touch that level. And after that, you can take the trade. Or suppose I say to take extra entries at the level, then you can take trades there. If I say open price, then you can take one trade at the open price and then take additional entries at the level. So this is how you can split your entries, if I mention that. Okay, so I hope you understand how all the signals work and how all the groups work. If you have any doubts, then you can text me on Telegram at bbinarysupport. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Goodbye.